Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to another vlog, and today we are going to be hydro dipping. I'm going to head over to his house and we are going to hydro dip. So, I'll check in when we get there and we start setting it up. Okay guys, we got the water. It's pretty warm, so now we are going to take it, put it in the grass, and spray paint. I don't know we're going to be hydro dipping first. I think we're going to hydro dip this fidget spinner. So, I'll check in when Colin gets his fidget spinner out here. Okay guys, here we go. First try, we're gonna try and Colin's gonna get some music on. Actually, no, don't put music on.
Why?
Because I'll get in trouble for copyright. Unless it's a remix.
It is.
What?
Half our remixes.
Okay.
Most of them.
Well, it can't be a remix if it's not a remix, so you gotta skip it.
Wait, if it's not a remix, I have to skip?
Yep. So I can get in trouble for copyright. You ready yet?
Just kidding, I don't have a lot of remixes.
Okay guys,
So
ready?
you'll get in trouble for copyright?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Why? For background music?
Mm-hmm. Not a remix.
Hate you.
Okay,
Well,
Colin,
then
just
why are we
record.
putting music on?
I don't know, just record. Ready? Ready?
Camera's
Back
pointed
up.
at you, isn't it?
Yeah, not really. You gotta back up and keep them more still. There we go. Here we go, guys. First try. Yellow. I think you can see yellow maybe more.
Blue.
I don't think there's much blue. Oh, there we go. No.
Alright, hold this while I pop out the bearings. Oh, we're gonna make it glow in the dark. Wait. I think this one is. This is glow in the dark.
No, this is gloss, so it
Shines.
Okay, now try.
No glow in the dark. Wait, hold this while I pop out the bearings.
Okay, now put it right there. That's probably where the best part is.
Where?
Right there.
Should I just hydro dip the bearings?
Sure. You know how to do it? You start by the corner, you put it in, and then once you're under the water, you shake it. Nope. It needs to get more over there.
Here's part of it.
There we go. Now bring it under it like that.
Nope.
Nope.
Didn't work.
I think you gotta we have to look this up. We did not do that right at all.
At least it comes off, I think.
We have no clue why this works. We should have watched a YouTube video on how to do this. I think it's because you have to do it right after.
You think?
Mm-hmm. Good thing it comes off.
That was sarcasm.
Try two. We're gonna try and get his arm. Here we go. Ready? I'll do it. Should we use the squad again? Right there.
Mm-hmm. I think Tanner's box used cold water. I'm just gonna do my hand.
Alright, stop. Oh, you gotta take this access stuff out first.
Excess,
Access.
not access.
Okay, it's good. Now lightly put your hand in there. Want me to do it? No, you lightly put your hand in there. No, not the cap.
Why not?
Ooh, that's gonna look cool. No, no. You're too close, dude. You ripped it.
Rip Schmip.
Dude, that's why it's not working. You can't rip it. Here. I'll try and patch it up. Sort of. Try to go more at your side, but ready, go. Slow and steady. Hot. It's hot. What do you want to do now? We gotta do something else.
The cap.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, go.
Nope. Ah. Let's watch a video. We don't know how to do this. I already tried, it didn't work.
Scoop. Uh-huh.
Okay, take your phone and let's watch a video.
Your phone's like always dead.
I don't know if this comes off. It's not coming off very easy. I'll have to scrape my hands. Let's go. What are you doing? Here we go, guys. Next item.
Items.
Look at the yellow. Get the yellow. Okay, now I'm gonna get the yellow. Actually, no, let's do blue.
We're out of blue. Oh, no.
Okay, can I try this time?
No. Me.
You gotta lay it flat, like you did with the, like we did with the fidget spinner. There. Now come out. Come out. Take it out now. Yep. There we go. Now you just need to take that off. Switch it around underwater, actually. That didn't work.
Nope.
I need to take this part off, and then it would work. See, it works right there.
Who's here? Who is that? Nobody.
Here, take the excess stuff off. What did we do that he didn't? I mean, what did we do? What did we not do that he did? We did everything that he did.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, we did.
We didn't remove the paint with something else.
We could try that. Okay,
Okay,
guys, we're gonna
one
have to
sec.
show you one more try. Guys, here we go. Try 5, and then we're gonna do a try 6 with my fidget spinner. Ready? Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit yellow. Just wait. Okay, go. It works.
That was probably the best one ever.
Okay, you wanna get my fidget spinner now?
Nope.
Why?
Because I love hydro dipping body parts.
No, next, my fidget spinner now.
Okay. Let me just clean off my hands here real quick. Gotta be careful not to rub it off underwater, because then it'll... Oh yeah.
Here, guys, we're gonna spray paint my fidget spinner. We gotta get the fidget spinner under there. Ready? Let's try it. Bro, it looks super nice.
At least mine has yellow on it.
Okay, should we try the other side now?
At least I have my arm hydro dipped.
Okay, can you take your hand and wipe that stuff out? I'm gonna get more spray paint and do it again. You just love hydro dipping your arm, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, no, there's excess stuff. No, there we go. Look at
Yeah,
how
I can-
cool that looks, dude. Now I just need to do it one more time, watch out.
No, do glow in the dark one.
No, let me do this with the rest of the fidget spinner, dude.
One sec. Wipe it off my hands. Calm down.
Hurry.
Calm down, Felicia.
I want this to work. Ready?
Okay.
crap. Nope. Wait, if I take it off, it might work.
I'm gonna go wash my hands. Watch, my dad's gonna get so mad.
Take the excess stuff off, guys, and I think it might work really good. Okay guys, we're gonna try one more time. Here we go. Let's move this out of here, and we're gonna get the spray paint. There we go. Now I just need to take it off. And I'm going to let it dry and we're going to see how it turns out. Oh no, I need to get this side quick. Okay, here we go. I'm going to dry it. We're going to see if it worked pretty good. Okay guys, we'll check in with you guys later. Okay guys, so crap. I got yellow on my tripod. I can wash it off quick. There we go, it came off. Sorry you guys, you're getting a bad angle of the sky. Not really bad, it's pretty. Yeah, that's good. Okay guys, so my fidget spinner is drying. There's yellow on that side and there's blue on the other side. It worked pretty well. I don't know if it turned out too good. The true test to see is if it spins. If it spins, then it was a true success. Took us like 6 tries, but we got it. Our hands are super dirty if you haven't noticed. So is Cullen's.
I washed off my arm.
Yeah. So we're gonna check back with you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, the fidget spinner, I just got home and it's super dry. It works super good and nothing got damaged. So what I like about it is I can do it with the yellow and then I can turn it around and do it with blue. It works really good. I'm probably gonna try and time it and I'm gonna see how long it goes for. So I'm gonna set this tripod up. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'll check in when it's... Actually, I need to start timing it. Crap. Oh, I can't time it. But if it's, as you can see, it spins really good. My hands are a little dirty, but me and Cullen got most of it off. It spins really good. There's nothing wrong with it. It didn't rust. I think the only thing that stinks, but that's not very bad, is these things don't turn. Oh, I got it to turn. I mean, they turn a little bit, but not too well. Oh, now they're turning. Now that I do it, they're turning now. Yeah, they turn. But yeah, I think it turned out really well. It's still balanced, like I can balance it on my finger. And I'm gonna check back with you guys in a little bit. We might go to the bridge and end off the video that way. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for I make new videos every single day. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up and we'll see you guys later.